Most people think they're bad at saving money. But honestly, that's usually not the real problem. The real problem is tiny spending habits you barely even notice. Because nobody feels broke buying one coffee, one takeaway, one online purchase, one subscription renewal. Individually, they feel harmless. That's the trap. Because your brain treats small purchases differently. You'll think carefully before spending $2,000, but not twice about spending 5 or 10 or 20. Because small purchases don't feel dangerous in the moment, but repeated every single day, that's where the damage happens. And most people never even notice it happening. Because financial stress usually doesn't arrive all at once. It builds slowly, quietly, automatically. One food delivery at a time. One impulse purchase at a time. One subscription renewal at a time. And over months and years, those tiny habits slowly drain your bank account. Not because you're lazy, not because you're bad with money, but because unconscious spending creates automatic outcomes. And honestly, modern life is designed to make spending feel invisible. Tap your phone, tap your watch, one-click checkout, buy now, pay later, auto-renew subscriptions. Money barely even feels real anymore. That's why people wake up wondering, where did all my money go? But wealthy people think differently. They don't just see money spent. They see opportunity cost. Meaning, what could this money become if I invested it instead? Because every dollar you spend today has two costs. The actual cost and the future value of that money. That's the part most people ignore. Now, this doesn't mean never enjoy your life. That's not realistic. You should absolutely spend money on things you genuinely enjoy. Coffee, travel, experiences, fun. That's part of living. The real issue is unconscious spending. Spending because you're bored. Spending because it's convenient. Spending because it became a habit. Because habits repeated automatically shape your financial future. That works positively and negatively. If every week you automatically overspend, ignore savings, and avoid investing, your future gets built automatically too, just not in the direction you want. That's why financially successful people automate the right habits. Automatic savings, automatic investing, automatic bill payments. Because relying on motivation is exhausting. Systems are easier. Think about it. If saving money depends on you feeling motivated every week, you probably won't stay consistent. But if your savings automatically transfer the second you get paid, now your system is working for you. And that's the real difference. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a money leak problem. Tiny leaks everywhere. Subscriptions, impulse spending, food delivery, convenience purchases, online shopping, buy now, pay later. And because each purchase feels small, they never notice the long-term impact. That's why two people can earn the exact same salary and end up in completely different financial situations. One buys short-term dopamine. The other builds long-term freedom. And freedom is the real goal, not just looking rich online. Real wealth means less stress, more options, handling emergencies comfortably, traveling without panic, and having control over your life. And most of that starts with small habits repeated consistently over time. Not overnight success, not luck, habits. So next time you spend money, pause for 2 seconds and ask yourself, is this improving my future or just giving me temporary dopamine? The goal isn't perfection. The goal is awareness. Because once you become aware of where your money actually goes, you start taking control of it. And when you control your money, you control your future. If this video helped you simplify finance, like and subscribe for simple finance in under 5 minutes. This is Bite-Sized Finance.